Okay, so it's been a year since we've been to Imphal. Today we're gonna go and get a harvester from Imphal. Let's go. Okay, now we are in Bishnupur and I cannot take my mask off because there's someone. My friend here is withdrawing some money, so okay, so now we are going back. No, we are going to Imphal.
We came without proper documents and helmet, so we were fined 300 rupees. What the hell is wrong with this?
Now I'm in Imphal and we're gonna go to a Flipkart office because we are expecting a delivery, but it has not been delivered yet, so we are going to deliver at Flipkart office. We thought we would buy something, but now we are in. Went inside, tried to buy something, but too crowded, so not. We are back here. get from the delivery office, so we're gonna get from this store here. We're gonna get from there. So we've got our item that we wanted to purchase, that is brush cutter, and now we are in Sunny's. After this we're gonna go back. I think it's gonna be late. I mean, I'm gonna show you something interesting. Never trust a skinny cook. Let me tell you one thing, there is no more corona except for schools and educational institutions. No corona, nothing. Okay. No corona. There is no lockdown. There is no corona. We have pork fried rice. Don't eat this. Don't eat this. And we are going back with this stuff here. And it's already dark. It's a long way to go, 45 minutes drive from here, and we're gonna reach home. Okay, so we have brought the brush cutter. Now let's do the unboxing and the setup. 네, 빠져나오네.